لأنني أؤمن أن الاستماع ينمي مهارة التحدث بنسبة كبيرة. في هذه السلسلة اليوم نعرض لكم قصة صناعة السيارة لتستفيد المعلومة والمهارة. لنبدأ.
Before the car, people traveled using horses, wooden carriages, or simply on foot. Travel was slow, uncomfortable, and sometimes even dangerous. A trip between two nearby cities could take hours or even days. Then came the Industrial Revolution in Europe, and everything began to change. Factories filled cities with machines, steam, and innovation. People started to dream of something incredible, a machine that could move by itself without horses. Before gasoline engines, inventors experimented with steam power. In 1769, a French engineer named Nicolas Joseph Cugnot built a large steam-powered vehicle for the army. It could move, but it was slow, noisy, and hard to control. Sometimes it even exploded. Later, in the 1800s, inventors tried electric motors and new types of engines. But everything changed when scientists discovered the internal combustion engine, a small engine that burns fuel to create power. That was the true beginning of the modern car. In 1885, a German engineer named Carl Benz built the first real automobile powered by gasoline. It looked simple, but it was revolutionary. Carl faced criticism and doubt. People said, "It will never work." But he kept improving it, believing that the world would one day move on wheels powered by engines. In 1888, Carl's wife, Bertha Benz, decided to prove her husband's invention to the world. Without telling him, she took their car and drove with her two sons for over 100 kilometers. She became the first driver in human history. During the trip, she fixed mechanical problems by herself. When fuel ran out, she stopped at a pharmacy and bought a liquid called Ligroin, the world's first car fuel. That journey became legendary, the first long road trip in the world. Bertha's courage proved that cars were not just toys, they were the future. After Benz's success, other inventors joined the race. Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach built faster cars with 4 wheels. In France, companies like Peugeot and Renault started making their own versions. But in America, a man named Henry Ford was about to change everything again. In 1913, Ford created the assembly line, a system that allowed cars to be built faster and cheaper. His famous Model T became the world's first affordable car. For the first time, families could travel freely across cities and states. The car became a symbol of freedom, success, and modern life. Cars didn't just change transportation. They changed civilization itself. Cities expanded, roads connected countries, and new jobs appeared everywhere. Gas stations, highways, mechanics, and driving schools, all born because of the car. Movies and advertising made cars a part of culture and dreams. But progress also brought problems: pollution, accidents, and traffic jams. The world needed a new revolution: cleaner and smarter cars. In the early 21st century, as the planet faced climate change, scientists and engineers began to look for alternatives to gasoline. Electric cars were not new. The idea existed since the 1800s, but technology wasn't ready yet. Then came a company that shocked the world: Tesla. Founded by Elon Musk, Tesla made electric cars exciting, fast, and beautiful. Other companies followed: Toyota, Nissan, BYD, and many more. Now electric cars can travel over 500 kilometers per charge and can be charged at home or through fast stations. This was not just a change in fuel, it was a change in philosophy. Today, cars are becoming smarter than ever. They can see, listen, and make decisions using artificial intelligence, AI. Self-driving cars use cameras, radars, and sensors to understand their surroundings. Companies like Tesla, Google Waymo, and Mercedes-Benz are leading the future. These cars can detect danger, avoid accidents, and park themselves perfectly. The dream now is to make transportation safer, cleaner, and fully automated. Experts believe that in the near future we won't need to own cars anymore. We'll simply call one using our phones. It will pick us up, take us where we want, and then serve someone else. Cars might soon fly, run on solar energy, or even talk to each other to prevent accidents. But no matter how far technology goes, the story of the car will always be the story of human curiosity and ambition. From Carl Benz's noisy three-wheeled machine to today's silent electric vehicles guided by AI, the car represents humanity's endless journey toward progress. The car didn't just move us forward, it taught us to never stop.
وختاما، لا تنسوا دعمنا باللايك والمشاركة والاشتراك. دمتم بحفظ الله.